welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. I am Jamie Beth. Today we're going to discuss makeup and glasses. So if you are someone that wears glasses on the daily, this is a video that you're going to want to watch. So the first thing you want to do before you put on your makeup is take a good look in the mirror and see where your glasses sit. Where on your nose they sit, if they touch the sides of your face, or if they sit on your cheeks. My glasses, the only thing that they actually sit on is my nose. They don't touch my face, they don't touch my cheeks, so I don't really have to worry about those areas too much. However, if you are someone where it does touch multiple areas of your face, what you're going to want to do is make sure that you don't put as much makeup on those areas where your glasses sit. That will prevent the makeup wearing off when you decide to take off your glasses. So if you are someone that just like wears reading spectacles, or if you wear your glasses all day long and you take them off by the end of the day, you don't want your makeup to look like it has worn off. We're gonna start with foundation, and the trick with foundation and glasses is that you wanna make sure you have the least amount of foundation in the areas where your glasses touch, so that when you remove your glasses, you don't have bare skin. So again, when you're blending out your foundation, if it touches this part of your cheeks, the side of your face, your nose, you want to make sure you have the lightest amount of coverage in those areas. We have our foundation on, and again, I want to emphasize, if you have glasses that touch this part of your area, like if it sits on your cheeks, you want to make sure the foundation is nice and thin in those areas, as well as the other areas that your glasses may touch, such as your nose or the sides of your face. Now, another very, very important step to take when you are wearing glasses and makeup is you want to set your face with powder. Now, if you normally don't set your face with powder, that's fine, but I would definitely set the areas where your glasses touch your face. So again, the sides of your face, your cheeks, or your nose. Now that we've set the areas of our face that our glasses are going to be touching, we can move on to eyes. Now, when you are wearing glasses, sometimes your eyes kind of look smaller in the glasses, and we want to make them look big and bright. What I recommend first is starting with like kind of a shimmery bright shade on your eyelid. I'm going to take this BH Cosmetics opalescent palette, and I'm going to go into the shade, it's called Star. So, and it's right here. It's called Star. It's a nice little light shimmery shade, and I'm going to put that on my eyelid. Once we have that subtle shimmery shade on our eyelids, we're going to take a blending brush, and I'm going to go into this BH Cosmetics opalescent palette, and we're going to go into the shade Grace. This is a wonderful little transition shade. What we're going to do is take this and we're going to go right into the crease of our eye and kind of blend that in. And there you have it. You have a nice light transition shade along with that shimmer shade, and you are again opening up your eyes, making them look bigger, so when you put glasses on, you can see your face underneath those glasses, not just the glasses. Now we are going to move on to brows. Now everyone has a different opinion about brows. My opinion with brows and glasses is that if you can see your brows 100%, I don't think your brows should be super dramatic, because then all you see are glasses and eyebrows. Nothing else. So when you can see your entire eyebrows, I want you to kind of ease up on how dramatic you make them look when you're filling them in. You kind of want to go a little bit lighter, maybe even use a shade lighter than you normally use. And you want to make sure that it isn't the primary thing you see when you have those glasses on your face. Now, if you are wearing glasses that cover part of your brows, you do kind of want to make your brows look the way you normally do, because you don't want the glasses to be complementing your eyes and then look like you don't have any eyebrows. So if they do cover part of your brow, go ahead and fill them in the normal way you do. Make them look as dramatic as you normally do. Glasses and your brows will complement each other. Okay, my brows are on, and I I did do some black liquid liner along the top part of my lash line. I do want to talk to you about the lower lash line and liner, and what I recommend instead of putting black liner, for those of you who wear black liner and glasses, what that does is it kind of encloses your eyes in those glasses, and we again want to make our eyes look nice and bright. So instead of doing a dark shade underneath your eye, I do recommend doing a white or nude liner along your waterline. Now, I can't find my white eyeliner, so what I'm going to do is just take a flat little brush and I'm going to dip it in a very light shade. So again, I'm still dipping into that opalescence palette, and I'm going to go up with this really light shade up top, and that is called Flutter. And I'm going to take this along my waterline and just kind of brighten up that area right there. Okay, there we have it. Now I am doing this way solely to show you guys the how it brightens up and makes your eyes look bigger. I do recommend you use liner because shadow, it'll wear off throughout the day because it's along your waterline. But again, I'm just showing you this method because I want to show you the effect. But I do highly recommend liner instead. I just took a little pencil brush with some of that transition shade and I put it along my lower lash line because I normally wear color underneath there. And now we're going to move on to mascara and false lashes. If you are someone that likes false lashes but also wears glasses, I don't necessarily recommend you combine the two because your false lashes will smack your glasses. What I recommend is you curl your lashes really well and add some mascara. And you do definitely want to put mascara along the lower lash line as well, because again, that will open up your eyes instead of close it in. Another thing we want to do is highlight this inner corner of our eyes, because again, it will just help brighten up and make our eyes look bigger. So we're going to take a little highlighter. I'm using this little Becca highlighter, and this is the Vanilla Quartz Becca highlighter. I'm going to take a tiny little brush. Where is my tiny brush? So I'm going to take just like a tiny little brush. I'm going to dip it in this highlighter, and we are just going to put it in the inner corner of our eye. So like right here. So our eyes are complete. I love how bright and big they look. That's going to look great under glasses. I did do my bronzing and blush off camera just to complete my look. I don't really have anything special to add with that. But moving on to lips. You really want to make sure that the color of your lip complements your glasses. You don't really want it to reflect from that. So if you are wearing like red glass frames, then you want to wear a red lip. That will look great with each other. Or if you are wearing like black glasses, you know, a pink lipstick, a nude lipstick, a red lipstick would look good with those. If you're wearing more of the metal frames, you want to stick to maybe like nudish or light shades. I really wouldn't go with super bold because again, you want to make sure everything kind of complements each other. So I'm going to go ahead and put on a nude lip today. And then I'm going to put my glasses back on and we will see the finished look. So here is the final look. Again, I love the way my eyes look nice and big and are a focal point with my glasses on instead of my glasses being the only thing that you see on my face. Whenever I do my makeup like this and I put my glasses on, it always makes me want to wear my glasses a little more often than I do. But you know, I do like my contacts as well. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Remember to hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already, as well as the notification bell next to it to be notified of all of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.